So what do you get if you cross a Rush Tank Solo 2, a tiny camera baby RATEL 2, a Diatone ROMA F35 4-cell, a true RC antenna, and of course my favourite, a TBS GPS. But what do you get? You get the most amazing image quality like this.
See ADDICT FPV drone.
Here comes your warrior. He's letting you know your sun will come shining now. Your sun will come shining. Here comes your warrior. He's letting you know your sun will come shining now. He's come to embrace you. Here comes your warrior. Here comes your warrior. He's letting you know your sun will come shining now. He's come to embrace you. Embrace you. Embrace you. Here comes your warrior.
I'm really happy with that, seriously. So the baby RATEL 2 and the Rush Tank Solo, true RC antenna, it is a good combination. Alright, take care. Alright, I'll see you next time with some mad ass builds. Take care, RC Addict.